In today's video, we're going to talk about Mailchimp customization and how you can make your emails stand out from the crowd. Whether you're looking to boost your open rates or just make a lasting impression, customizing your emails is key. Stay with me till the end because I've got some pro tips and an exclusive offer for you that'll take your Mailchimp game to the next level. Now, before we dive into the good stuff, I want to let you know that you can try Mailchimp for free using the link below, and there are some awesome bonuses waiting for you. But let's get to it. First up, the most important thing is to focus on your email design. One of the quickest ways to make your emails pop is by using Mailchimp's drag and drop email builder. This feature lets you place images, text blocks, and buttons wherever you want. The key is to keep it clean and organized. Avoid overcrowding your layout. Use white space to help important elements stand out, and be strategic with colors and fonts that align with your brand. Next thing, don't underestimate the power of personalization. Mailchimp allows you to add personal touches to your emails by using subscriber data, like their first name or location. This level of personalization increases engagement and makes your emails feel less generic. Try using dynamic content blocks so different subscribers see tailored information based on their interests. The third thing is optimizing your subject lines. We all know the subject line is the first thing a recipient sees, so it has to grab attention. Mailchimp provides A/B testing tools so you can experiment with different subject lines to see which one resonates best with your audience. Keep it short, intriguing, and aligned with the email content. Make your subscribers want to click. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the coolest features in Mailchimp is automation, and it's not just for follow-up emails. You can set up custom triggers based on subscriber actions like abandoned carts or clicks on certain links. This ensures you're sending timely, relevant content that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Customizing your automation sequences will save you time and boost conversions. The fifth thing is mobile optimization. Most people check emails on their phones, so it's crucial that your emails look great on mobile. Mailchimp's responsive templates automatically adjust to any screen size, but it's still a good idea to preview your emails on mobile before hitting send. Test for readability, image sizes, and call-to-action buttons that are easy to click on smaller screens. And lastly, don't forget about your email signature. It may seem small, but including a custom email signature with your branding, social media links, or a call to action can make a big difference. Mailchimp lets you create a custom signature that you can add to all your outgoing emails. So, there you have it. Customizing your Mailchimp emails doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple tips, you can make sure your emails are both visually appealing and effective. Remember, you can start using Mailchimp for free right now by clicking the link below, where you'll also get an exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.